When you hear the following sentence, Shrek and Beyoncé walked into a bar. She danced on the dance floor. You immediately know that Beyoncé was dancing on the dance floor and not Shrek. Pronouns like she help us to understand language. However, pronouns refer to different people in different sentences. How then does our brain link the pronoun to the right person? A team of neuroscientists looked at the brain activity of patients with epilepsy. These people were implanted with electrodes in their hippocampus as part of their treatment. This is the brain area responsible for forming memories. In the hippocampus, there are cells that respond to a specific person, and we call these cells concept cells. For example, the Beyoncé concept cell becomes active when someone sees a picture of or reads the word Beyoncé. What we don't know is if these cells also become active when hearing or reading a pronoun. Can these cells link the pronoun to the right person? To answer this question, the scientists searched for concept cells by showing many different pictures to the patients. In one example, they found a cell that only responded to pictures of the cartoon character Shrek. They refer to this cell as a Shrek concept cell. The patients then read sentences such as, Shrek and Beyoncé walked into a bar, he sat at the table. In this case, the Shrek concept cell responded when the patient read the word Shrek, and also when they read the word he. This is interesting because he can mean something completely different in another sentence. For example, Harry Styles and Marge Simpson were watching TV, he changed the channel. When patients read this sentence, the Shrek concept cell did not react because the brain knew that he now referred to Harry Styles. But what can we do with this information? The hippocampus is critical for forming memories of our lives. But how we remember what we read remains unclear. Pronouns help us to understand who did what in a story, and cells in the hippocampus help us to store this information in our brain. The ultimate goal of this research is to understand how an entire memory is formed and stored in the brain. This research explains one of the pieces in the puzzle of our memory.